Hi there. Good morning to all of you present here. First of all, hope you feel great. I am very well. My name is Kumar Vignesh and welcome back to my channel Radha JKB and Speak English with Kumar Vignesh. In this video, I am going to telling you and how to improve your English. Okay, I am the share of the 5 tips. Okay, I will learn English with the 5 tips. Okay, learn English with the 5 tips. 5 tips is for SC from 5 tips. Okay, this is a helpful you or you practice and follow your daily lives. This is a helpful you. Just I am share with the 5 sim, and before the start video I am saying and stay home, stay safe, stay focused your goals and keep supporting yourself and every day try to speak English better way. Okay, but you are not comparison to another person. What can you say or what can you saying? Okay, this like you practice more confidently, powerfully and with this energy with you. Okay, or be what this 100% efforts you this performance and be what are you doing this work. Okay, this like today I am so very happy and I thought so you are the very happy. Okay, now this practice how to do it, this 5 tips for C forms. Okay, first point is confidence. Second point is don't cry. Third, don't compare. Fourth, control. And last one's compliment. Okay, and this is a very helpful you or you try to speak English with confidence. Okay, first one is confidently, how to do it with your confidence and how to increase your confidence. Okay, this is the most important you this confidently. I am the most tipsy you are will say these 5 tips. Then another is the most tips is the practice. You are be not practice not be confidence increase. Okay, you practice or be a positive way. This is helpful you. Okay, every day your daily life you use the 5 tips or you practice. Okay, 80% 8% is helpful in your practice. You don't practice, you don't, it is impossible. Okay, this is a possible only for you practice. Okay, you the keep energy and keep with the smileness and with the practice more and more. This is a helpful you. Okay, I am saying the confidence. What you do increase your confidence and increase confidence means just like you this is my side we are where well I am here this here's the presentation my tips. Your confidence increase and how to do confidence just like confidence means push your comfort zone. Okay, push your comfort zone is the area wise means doing your work where you are feel good. Just like you will learn English. Okay, you learn English by the by the movie watching a movie, or you learn English by this reading newspapers or we this reading newspaper magazine. This is a comfortable. Okay, you are be comfortable. But if somebody say why don't you record your voice? Oh, no, I am not comfortable. Okay, and with the why don't you not use this conversation to another person? Oh, no, I am not comfortable. This lie means you push your comfortable zone. Every activity you do your comfortable. And by this area wise you this feelings you will sit where this comfortable. This is a comfortable. Okay, then you got it point. Then you push your comfortable. Just like you doing uncomfortable. This is a fear of your killing or making you discomfortable. This is a fear of the making you comfortable. This like you how to increase the confidence. This like 4 tips I am say. You practice to other people's or conversation to other people's is the daily lives. And second, you practice is the front of your mirrors is the comfortably increase. Okay, confidence increase. And you practice to other people or be interconnected to other people. This is a helpful you. Okay, this is a fast one. Second point is don't cry. Every people ask me questions. See, are you suddenly just like you be not you successful doing the work everybody okay, but not you successful. But the short is with the crying. Don't cry. You are the your tree you save your tea you save. This is helpful you. Don't cry. Once you cry you weakness you this lose. You're the energy you lose. You're this confidence you lose. but you don't cry. You this be confidently and be positively, be energetically doing this work again. Okay, I will do this work. I am this bounce back this work. I am the bounce back. Okay, the or be don't be you are be don't skip, don't excuse yourself, don't even cry. You are be try to this cracking, you success, but you this presence, keep your presence, keep your this struggle, you this is helpful you. Okay, don't cry. This is the sort out of the your work activity or activity. Okay, this is helpful you, or be positive, be honestly doing the work, and this is helpful you. You understand? Then is the third point is don't compare. Different people ask me questions, myself or my friends. Your hairstyle is the most, your the look is the most, another person is a very beautiful, say girls is a very beautiful, say glass is a very beautiful. I am not beautiful, I am not this healthy, I am not this energyful. Why to comparisons? Your five fingers, one thumb is the all over India, this many peoples, the most peoples. Okay, but you not use this the one thumb is not equal to another thumb. You see, tell me about, you know. And how to the comparison one person to another person? Tell me. This is not is the first rules. This like you are not comparison. You comparison your weakness. You comparison you this lose your the point. You will be not you the success your lives. You this comparison to another person's. This is the mindset. Okay. You are be everyday try to best way speaking English. Try to best understand this point. Not comparison to another person. You focus your study. What about this? This is helpful you. Okay. Got it? And this fourth one is control. What to control? This control means here I am saying you control the mind. You are becoming a successful. You are becoming successful. Then you are this everyday try to control your the mind setup. You control your the mind setup. Not you disturb. Not to disturb this another this waking looking this face. Okay. You control yourself. This is helpful you. Okay. This like your performance very better and be this control your assertive means the mind is a two types, your consequence and the sub consequence. Your consequence is your this input device, just like, and the subsequence is the output device. You put your on input is a very good, the output automatically the flow down is a good. You not you put your in the input is a bad habit, bad activity, bad thoughts, the output automatically this is a provided. This like you are the comfortable, this is the best importance. Okay, I am safe which best way. This like you are practice more confidence. Okay, then you control your mindset of if subconscious the five senses, you know of the five senses of five fingers, five senses, your eye, your nose, your tongues, and your skin, your hairs. This is the subconscious. This way you are the food or input you are this good, this outflow is a very well. You watching this movie, you be positively. You doing the work, be positively. You speaking words, be positively. You listening words, be positively. You touching about this, be positively. Not you this thought is the negative thoughts. You put over your this positivity, the outflow is automatically positive. What is the comparison to one person to another? No benefit. You control the mind is helpful you. Okay, last one is the most important, you the compliment. I am just compliment you and you are the compliment me, this helpfully me. Okay, this compliment you are this provided every day, daily lives, daily for day you are the one person. Tell me the one person you to compliment your voice, your quality is the most important because your improvement. Okay, you are be successful, you are to compliment to another person your improvement. This is a yourself you telling about another people everyday compliment. You are best, you are the try to more is helpful you. This is a try to you speaking to another person, you this conversation to another person, your voice, your English, you the speaking English very better, you try is successful. This is my point. You follow daily life, see 5 tips, see this is successful. Or most one is the point is the practice. You without not practice, you without practice is not is successful. You practice with practice, this is successful. Okay, and you thank you for watching this video. I have the good day or so many lot of the love all of you to my friends, and thank you so much. I will be see you or I will see you tomorrow, and I will see you next video. Bye bye, see you.